Good day, my name is Barry Kavanagh here with Axiom Equipment. Today we are showcasing the Wacker-Neuson HI770 indirect fired heater. There are a number of features that I wanted to speak about with this heater that I thought would be of interest to our viewers. So this heater here is a 770,000 BTU heater, which although there are many heaters in its class that would be 1,000,000 BTUs, it's far more fuel efficient and efficient in running than a traditional 1,000,000 BTU heater. Some of the key features of this unit is that with its onboard generator, you have the ability to actually plug in other smaller tools and equipment because there is some auxiliary power available. This heater here has a very robust frame and a very robust trailer. It allows for a lot of heavy duty use, and with a lot of our clientele being in the pipeline, power line, heavy civil industry, it is something that we feel is one of the key features of this heater. A couple things I wanted to point out as well is actually the lift bale system here allows you to take this heater, lift it off of a truck with a crane and place it in areas that might be harder to reach. It also has the forklift pockets for normal day-to-day loading and unloading. I'll just take you inside here of the unit. So this heater here provides very easy access to do maintenance and service. We all know how important that is when you're in the field. You have all your control panel here, you have the engine, everything here. So wanted to show that as well, just how easy it is to access for maintenance. And then as we come around here, there's a few things that I wanted to point out as well, and that is the duct system on this heater. So this unit actually gives you the ability to recirculate the air, which also adds to the efficiency of this unit. But it has very large 20-inch outlet, which if you're heating a building or a large hoard or something like that, you're pumping maximum heat into the area that you are heating. It also comes available with two 12-inch outlets as well, which if you're wanting to heat, say, two pieces of equipment or something like that at the same time, you have that ability. Some of the key features of this unit as well that I'd like to speak about, one of them is that it has a 3,000-hour service interval, which is about 125 days. That's because it has a 70-liter oil sump, giving you the ability to do one, maybe only two oil changes per winter season, compared to comparable models that would have a service interval of every 2 or 3 weeks, every 300 to 500 hours. So this heater gives you that ability, which is something that really there are no other heaters on the market that offer that. And then as well is it has a 40-hour runtime, including the generator. So all inclusive, it has a 40-hour runtime, which is about every day and a half if you're running it at full capacity. This is a key feature of this unit because many of the comparable products in the industry would have a 24-hour runtime. Essentially, this is 1.5 times traditional model runtime. I thought that might be of interest as well. Again, if you have any questions in regards to this heater or any other products that we carry here at Axiom Equipment, certainly look forward to speaking with you. Thank you and have a great day.